Here's two suits that are really good value suits. Really look to West for these things. They have, both of them are called the Enforcer. They have the Enforcer flat lock, one on my left, and the GBS Enforcer. The difference is this. Cuts are the same, materials are the same, but this is your standard kind of older style construction. All the seams are actually flat lock stitching, which is great. If you get one of these, you want to get it pretty tight. You want it to be warm, because what happens is cold water seeps in through these seams over time. It's not a bad suit. Normally retails for $150. We're doing it for $135, so great value for money. But if you can step up to this guy for $179, normally $200, you've got a suit that has all the sealed seams and the critical taping at all the junctions, like the West Nitro and the O'Neill Epic. Good suit, decent stretch, not as stretchy, but still a good suit, and good value for a sealed seam suit. You get this for $279.